Good morning everyone, my name is Aniket. So today we are going to see how to import STEP or IGS file as well as BDF files in this Feast software. So this is the STEP file. So we will see how to import this STEP file. So I'll go to new file, new. So this is the new file I have created. Then I'll go to file, open. So here we have STEP file. I'll click on that and open. So this is the file we have. So if you want to change the color of this, I'll go to colors. We have option color here. From this colors, I'll go to object. In the object, volume. So this is a volume. We have imported the file as volume. So if I want to change the color of this, I'll select this green color, accept, and I'll click on this refresh option. So my geometry will be refreshed and the color is changed. So now if you want to extract surface from this, or if you want to create a surface on this face of the volume, I'll go to geometry, surface, create, on geometry, and we have option here on face. So whatever commands you select from here will pop out here. This is the pop out screen. So on this surface I want, so I'll click on this surface. So this is selected and I'll click on apply. So output ID, let us consider this. I'll give output ID as 1. I'll click on apply. So my surface is created on this volume. So to just check, I'll go to show option. In this show I will hide volume, so you will be able to see this surface. I'll hide surface and click on volume, so you can see the volume also. So this is the surface. So now here, if we want to trim this surface, we have options. So I'll go to this front view. This is my front view. I'll on the grid, and we have this color shading options here. This is a hidden. We have fill option here. This will change the color of this, and we have shaded option. So we'll go to this option, front view, control F for front view as well. What I will do, I'll just on this vertex option. So wherever points will be there, it will create a vertex. So I'll go to geometry, curve, create a line, and I'll just create a line using this coordinate points. So I have created one line here, as well as I'll create another line here. So I have created 2 lines. Okay. So as you can see, we have a surface here, and my plane is here, and I have created the lines on the planes. So I have to project these lines on the surface. So I'll go to geometry, curves, create, on geometry and project. I'll go to curve, create, on geometry, project. So here input curves, this is my first curve and this is my second curve. So two curves are selected. Target surface, this is my target surface. So entire surface will be selected. And no need of output ID. By default it will take, or if you want you can name it as 2 and click on apply. So I'll hide this vertex for a while, as well as plane. So these lines or these curves we have projected onto the surface, and as you can see these are the projected lines. So these are the projected lines. So now we will be having ease while trimming these curves. We will delete these curves. The two curves are deleted. We'll go to front view. Now we will be having these points, vertex points. So I'll go to geometry, surface, modify and break. Break L means break with line. So surface is this. I'll select this surface. I've selected this surface. End points. So this is my first point. As you can see, this will be my first point and this is the second point. So here the message is surface break done. Similarly I'll break it along this point and this point. Again the break is done. So now I'll try to delete the surface. So it will be deleted like this. So I'll break it along this line now. So go to geometry, surface, modify, break along line. Surface is this, line from this point to this point, break done. So I'll again delete this surface. Okay. I'll hide this vertex as well as curves. So as you can see, only the surface we have. Then we can go for meshing. So in the next video we will be looking on the mesh, how to do meshing of this surface, and after meshing this we will use this rotate command and we will rotate the mesh. Instead of meshing the entire geometry, what we will do, we will just make the symmetry. We will mesh that symmetry and we will just rotate it along the axis. Thank you.